everybody, I hope you are very fine. Today you're going to learn 20 verbs with some examples. But before that, let me remind you that don't forget to come with some pen and some recorder box that you can write them down. Let's start.
Give.
Pata.
Give me your number.
Ndipatseni nambala yako.
Interested.
Sangalatsidwa.
I'm not interested.
Sindili wasangalatsidwa. Remember that most of the languages in the world, they used to prolong the letter before the last in speech to describe what kind of language it is. Same thing in Chichewa language, we used to prolong the letter before the last to indicate that we are talking Chichewa language. For example,
Write.
lemba.
I'm writing.
Ndikulemba. We will prolong letter in this word as long as mba is the last letter to be pronounced, except if you can add some word after mba.
I'm writing an exam.
Ndikulemba maeso. For this sentence, we will prolong ye as long as so is the last word to be pronounced. And after mba, we don't stop, we just continue to say ndikulemba maeso. Not ndikulemba maeso. By the time when we say ndikulemba maeso, which means each and every word will be prolonged the letter before the last.
Speak.
Yankhula.
Can I speak to
Ndingayankhule ndi
want?
funa.
I don't want anything.
Sindikufuna chilichonse.
Help.
Thandiza.
How can I help you?
Ndingakuthandizeni bwanji?
Sit.
Khala.
Sit down.
Khala pansi.
Sorry.
Pepani.
I'm sorry.
Ndikupepesa.
Sorry, brother.
Pepani m'bale.
Ask.
Pempha. Funsa.
I'm asking for the change.
Ndikupempha change.
Can I ask you a question?
Ndingakufuseni funso?
Fine.
Bwino.
It's fine.
Zili bwino.
Leave.
Siya. Leka.
Leave me alone.
Ndisiyeni. Or ndisiyeni ndekha.
Sick.
Dwala.
I'm sick.
Ndikudwala.
Play.
Sewela.
I like to play football.
Ndimakonda kusewela mpira wa miyendo.
Great.
Lonjela.
Let's greet them with peace.
Tiwalonjele ndi mtendere. Or tiyeni tiwalonjele ndi mtendere.
Make.
Panga.
I'll make a decision.
Ndipanga chiganizo. Or ndipanga chisankho.
Share.
Gawa.
I'll share the chocolate with you.
Ndigawana nanu chocolate.
Go.
Pita.
I'm going to the market.
Ndikupita kunsika.
Come.
Bwela.
I'll come today.
Ndibwela lelo.
Say.
Nena.
I want to say something.
Ndikufuna kunena china chake.
Carry.
Nyamula.
Can I carry your bag?
Ndinganyamula chikwama chanu. Thanks so much for being there in order to learn our language. Chichewa. May God make you to remember always what you have learned. Later.